Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you an amazing smart electronic project. We will control this AC bulb using touch sensor, Arduino Uno and relay module. Just touch the sensor once. Bulb on. Touch again. Bulb off. So let's start. This project is very simple and beginner friendly. It can be used as a smart switch for home automation. Instead of pressing a normal switch, you only need to touch the sensor. The Arduino reads the sensor, then relay turn the AC bulb on and off. For this project, we need Arduino Uno, touch sensor, relay module, AC bulb holder, breadboard, jumper wire, and USB cable. Here you can see this. The USB cable is connected to my laptop. These are the simple components and you can easily find these components. Let's see the touch sensor connection to Arduino Uno. Here our touch sensor have 3 pins: VCC, GND and input output pin. The VCC pin of touch sensor is connected to 5-volt supply to Arduino. Here you can see the VCC pin is connected to 5-volt in Arduino. The ground pin of touch sensor is connected to ground pin of Arduino, and input output pin of this touch sensor is connected to D2 of Arduino. So this is the circuit connection of touch sensor with Arduino Uno. Another component is relay module. The relay module is also connected to Arduino Uno. So let's see the connection of relay module with Arduino Uno. Here our in one side relay module have 3 pins: VCC, GND and input output pin. The VCC pin of this relay module is also connected to 5-volt supply in Arduino. The ground pin is connected to ground of Arduino, and input output pin of this relay module is connected to D7 of Arduino. So this is the relay connection with Arduino Uno. Here one side of relay module pins are connected to Arduino Uno and another side have 3 slots which is connected to AC holder and bulb. Here you can easily see the AC bulb wiring. The suppose the live wire is red, so the red wire, live wire going to relay common terminal, anode terminal goes to bulb live wire, and neutral wire, here the yellow wire is neutral, the neutral wire is directly connected to the black wire which goes to the supply voltage. Please be careful while working with AC voltage. Now I upload the code to Arduino. Here you can see the code, and the USB cable is connected to Arduino Uno. The code check where the touch sensor is pressed. If touch sensor once, relay turn on and bulb glows just like this. If touched again, the relay turn off and bulb off. Very simple logic. Touch once, on. Touch again, off. Now let's once again test this project. As you can see, it is working perfectly. If you like this project, then like the video. Subscribe for more Arduino and electronics project, and comment your next project idea below. Thanks for watching.